Want to make your home pop? Check out these 10 awesome DIY hacks. First up, create a chalkboard wall in your kitchen for notes and doodles. Next, turn an old ladder into a rustic bookshelf. How about some floating shelves to save space and look cool? Number 4, use washi tape to make fun, temporary designs on your walls. For plants, try a vertical garden using wooden pallets. Need more storage? Underbed drawers are a game changer. Craft a cozy reading nook with some pillows and a canopy. Paint your door a bold color for instant curb appeal. Transform a dresser with new knobs and a fresh coat of paint. And finally, create a gallery wall with your favorite photos and art. Ready to get started? Happy DIYing!